Hey guys, how you going? My name is Dom, and today I'd like to demonstrate how to create your very own custom scrollbar using CSS. So just a quick disclaimer, this feature is only available in a set amount of browsers, particularly Webkit browsers, which means your user will only see this custom scrollbar if they're using a browser such as Chrome, Firefox or Safari. It's actually quite straightforward to achieve this, so let's get right into it. So I've got this page open right here with some scrollable content. So let's actually make a custom scrollbar right now. So inside the HTML for this document, it looks like this. So I've just got obviously the paragraph tags and a style tag up here. Alright, so to actually customize the scrollbar, we're going to use a non-standard feature which is called the Webkit Scrollbar pseudo element. So what we can do is we can say a double colon and then put down dash Webkit dash scrollbar. Okay, so this pseudo element represents the scrollbar as a whole. So what you can do inside this CSS rule set is you can specify the width for your scrollbar. Okay, so we're going to say width as something like 10 px. So now the scrollbar is going to be 10 pixels wide. Okay, so that's the entire scrollbar by itself. So if I was to save this and refresh the browser, we actually get no scrollbar, but it's still there. I can actually scroll down still by clicking, but it's sort of invisible. Okay, so to actually customize what's called the scrollbar track, we can do this by using the scrollbar track pseudo element. So I can say colon dash Webkit dash scrollbar track, and this one is going to style the actual background of the scrollbar, not including the scrollbar thumb. Okay, so if I also say inside here a border radius of something like 5 px, and then a box shadow which is inset, so we'll say inset, so an inset box shadow of 0, 0, and then 10 px, and then a light gray, so 0, 0, 0, 0.25. Okay, that is a very opaque gray. If I save this one and refresh the browser, we get this result right here. So we get the actual scrollbar track, which is now customized with a nice little border radius as well as a inset box shadow. Unfortunately, the scrollbar, the actual thumb, isn't there yet. So once again, it's invisible, the actual thumb. So let's create that right now. So back inside the HTML, let's just create a new pseudo element. This is called Webkit dash scrollbar thumb. Okay, so this is the actual square bit that the user will actually scroll down with. Okay, so for this one, I'm going to match the border radius of the actual track. That way it fits nice and neatly. So if I was to say border radius and then 5px, the same as the track. Okay, and also we can add a background color of the actual decode green. So I'm going to put the decode green color in here, copy that, paste it inside here. Okay, so now we've customized the thumb. I can save this and refresh, and we get that right there. So it's looking quite good. So now obviously the user can actually scroll down using the thumb. Alright, and the border radius is the same as the actual track, so it sort of fits nice and neatly up against the edges of the actual scrollbar. Alright, so one more thing I want to say is you can actually add a hover pseudo class to the thumb. So back inside the code, I can make a new rule set, copy this, go down here, and then I'm going to say colon and then hover. So now we're going to specify some CSS for the hover pseudo class. So when the user hovers over the actual thumb, we're going to change the background color. So I can say background color, okay, and make a lighter green. So I'm going to copy the light decode color, copy that, paste it inside there. Okay, so now we can save this and see the result. Refresh, whilst to hover over, we get the D code light green. Okay, so that is obviously as well quite stylish. So that's all I've got for the actual scroll bar customization. I do want to show you though, in Microsoft Edge, it looks like this. So we don't get the customized scroll bar in Microsoft Edge. As I said, this is only available, you can only customize the scroll bar in Chrome, Firefox and Safari. Alright, that's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you later.